gas pizza ovens are incredible when you learn how to control them properly. So they heat up fast, and they're convenient, and they're consistent. And they can make amazing artisan and Neapolitan style pizza at home. But there's one thing I've learnt after using gas pizza ovens for years. The oven itself doesn't make the pizza, you do. You will need to understand that the stone heat and the flame management and recovery times and rotation timing and how your oven behaves are all important factors of using the oven. And the stone temperature matters. The pizza stone is what cooks the base of your pizza. And high heat pizza cooking is all about balancing the top heat with the stone heat. So one of my biggest tips is this. Don't rush the preheat and give the stone proper time to heat up. Some ovens heat up faster than others, and some stones retain heat better, and some ovens develop hotspots. So learning about and experimenting with your oven is hugely important. For Neapolitan style cooking, a balanced cook is always better than a burnt top with an undercooked pizza base. Now the next tip changed my cooking massively. You do not always need a full flame because a maximum flame size can become difficult to control, especially during the actual pizza cook. If the top burns too quickly and the crust chars too fast, the base may not be ready. And this is where flame management becomes everything. Personally, I often use a high max flame during preheat. But once the pizza launches, I'll reduce the flame to 3/4 flame size. And once you start doing this, your consistency improves a lot. Rotation timing is critical. Gas pizza ovens cook incredibly fast, and because the flame usually comes from one or two sides, rotation timing becomes absolutely essential. So watch the crust closely. The moment you see good oven colour developing near the flame side, get ready to rotate. You should even be able to smell it cooking, and you'll develop an instinct for this. This is your rhythm. Launch, watch the crust, rotate, adjust flame if needed, rotate again, turn, don't burn. Just remember that, turn, don't burn. Sometimes slightly lowering the flame during the final stage of the cook gives you better balance and prevents excessive charring. Because stone temperatures constantly fluctuate, every pizza removes heat energy from the stone. Sometimes the oven needs only a short recovery, and sometimes a longer one. And in some ovens, especially during longer cooking sessions, stones can become excessively hot, which can lead to burnt pizza bases, bitter flavours, blackened undersides before the top fully cooks. But just checking the temperature of the stone after each cook is really important. Not every pizza should be cooked the same way. A thin Neapolitan pizza behaves very differently from, for example, New York style, the thicker artisans pizzas and pan pizzas, or even heavily topped pizzas. Thinner pizzas often benefit from stronger top heat and shorter cooks. But thicker pizzas may need more controlled flame settings. Otherwise, the outside burns before the inside finishes. And this is where gas ovens are fantastic, because they give you immediate control, and you can actively shape the cooking environment. Once you start adjusting flame intentionally for different pizza styles, your results improve massively. Outdoor cooking adds another layer to pizza making. Weather changes oven behaviour and it impacts the gas flame. Wind especially can affect your pizza cooking. Flame stability, heat consistency, and recovery time. Also, stone temperatures change a lot in breezy weather, and cold weather can also increase preheat times dramatically. So sometimes you will need a longer preheat time, different flame settings, and more recovery time. Learn how to use your oven in different conditions, and no two sessions are going to be completely identical because of breezy weather and outside temperatures. Learn about your oven personally and specifically, because every pizza oven behaves differently, and even ovens that come from the same company can behave differently. Experienced cooks become highly connected to their oven. I wouldn't say I'm an experienced cook, but I get really connected. When you get connected to your oven, you will know certain things because you've used it enough times to understand how it behaves in different conditions. So cooks who do cook a lot in their ovens, they will know these things straight away. Where the hot spots are, how quickly the stone recovers after a pizza cook, and how the flame rolls in the oven, how the weather will affect performance, and when adjustments are needed, for example, turning the flame up and down. And that knowledge only comes from doing the cooking, learning on the job. You begin reacting naturally to the oven. And that's when pizza making becomes really enjoyable. So those are my tips for using an outdoor gas pizza oven. They're fast, responsive, consistent, reliable, and incredibly easy to use. So let me know in the comments below what you think of gas cooking outside. And which oven are you currently using? And what was the biggest thing you struggled with when you first started cooking pizza? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hype for more pizza oven content, beginner pizza tips, recipes, reviews, and artisan pizza cooking videos. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.